This is how to fix the game not using the correct GPU graphics card. Let's go ahead and head down the bottom left of our computer and search for settings. Once you open up settings, we're going to go to system right here. We're going to scroll down to graphics settings. Once we click on this, we're going to see right here at the top says reduce latency and improve performance. You'll need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect. If you'd like, you can enable this and turn this on to improve gaming performance as a game is running. Let's go and head down here, and here we will see a short list of games. If you do not see your game, you're going to go and press on browse right here. Go into your file explorer and locate the video game that you like to add. But once you have your game located and added to this, we're going to go to any one of these and click on it and then go to options. Once you go to options, depending on what kind of computer you have and what kind of parts, you could have an option for your GPU and then an option for a separate one or your default. Go ahead and click on the appropriate one. For my example, I want this high performance GPU enabled, so I would of course click this right here and then press save. That's how to fix your game if it is not using the correct GPU.